In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leads to Dripify. We'll start on LinkedIn because your search there becomes the foundation of your lead list. Open LinkedIn and run a search that matches your ideal audience. You can use the regular search, or if you have access, Sales Navigator or Recruiter for more advanced filters. Dial in the criteria that matter most to you. Think keywords, location, industry, company size, seniority, or job title. The goal here is to create a clean, relevant set of results so that what you import into Dripify aligns with your outreach goals. Once your results look right, don't click into individual profiles just yet. Instead, go to your browser's address bar and copy the full URL of the search results page. That link includes all your filters and tells Dripify exactly which profiles to pull. If you change filters, remember to refresh and copy the updated URL. Now switch over to Dripify. You can add leads directly to your account or straight into a specific campaign. Either works. Click Add Leads or open your campaign and choose Add Leads to Campaign. From the import options, select Import from LinkedIn Search. You'll see a field asking for the LinkedIn search URL. Paste the link you just copied. Next, decide how many profiles you want to bring in. You can import everyone from that search or choose a subset. If your results are large, consider starting with a manageable batch so you can monitor performance and stay within your daily activity limits. This keeps your outreach steady and compliant with platform best practices. When you're ready, confirm the import. Dripify will fetch those profiles and load them as leads. Depending on your settings, it can also enrich the data, pulling details like names, positions, companies, and other publicly available information to make your outreach more personalized. This step runs in the background, so give it a moment to populate. You'll see the leads appear in your list or inside the campaign you selected, ready for sequencing. As a quick recap, build a precise LinkedIn search, copy the search results URL, paste it into Dripify's import from LinkedIn search option, choose how many profiles to add, and confirm so Dripify can load and optionally enrich your leads. If you ever need more guidance, Dripify's Help Center has clear articles on each import option and enrichment settings. With this workflow, you can move from research to outreach in minutes with a cleaner pipeline and better targeting from the start.